Okay, is it where I go to cop? His Royal Highness is a prequel.
So him to work in this thing, it's an honor to serve the Igbo.
Serve the Igbo.
Look, we cannot spend our entire life criticizing leadership. Then the opportunity that is no.
The Oval Office. The Oval Office in London. Yes, so you cannot come to London without seeing PT. If you feel also, so you go come give us see what they happen for Nigeria. Tell us what they happen for London. We don't tell dates now.
Straight up
street. PT. Legendary.
Nothing was this night. Not. I sure want to start drinking now.
You know, be 12 o'clock now. This is the right time.
You can start drinking after we get to the destination.
Zubby can have it. But I transfer with evidence.
No more pain.
Go ahead and get another location ebe anyị nọ. Wait, Zubby, I can eweta Kristal, can I emepe? I na-eweta Kristal na-emepe.
What the fuck you do? How we meant to go yalla? Also, this part we are Lagos
Oxel musical equipment.
Bad boy, hello. They ask about food when brain. This is a lifestyle. I want.
He's still wearing that, yeah. I mean, really, I'm not so much like a child. That's why the person don't know.
Plenty from the descent, the show and came on my
Rolls Royce, walk. Rolls Royce to Rolls Royce. Every clash of Rolls Royce.
Take your concert, carry Louis Vuitton to fear they catch me.
Okay, my friend.
Okay, gosh.
Hang on 1 second.
Take your concert, carry Louis Vuitton to fear they catch me.
Okay, my friend.
Okay, gosh.
Hang on 1 second.
I hear your name or your story. I follow you back to back on social media.
have to try. And your humility has remained, you know, constant. Hello, me. I can say, oh yes, you are my mentor, and the moment you set yourself free from poverty, you believe that's it.
That's the end of mentorship.
Exactly.
Mentorship is for life.
We thank God. We thank God. I'm so